Hey everybody, this is Nurys, and this is Accidental Beauty Blogger at Home Edition. Woo! So let me tell you something. Moisturizing is super popular when it comes to your daily routine, right? Some people think that it's only their face or their body that needs some hydration. And that, my friends, is not true. Trust me. This coronavirus pandemic has made my hands look crazy. While we may be turning to moisturizers or hand creams, it is time for a little more hydration. And guess what? Hand masks provide precisely that. I will be trying out the Corona Age Defining Hand Mask. It's supposed to help reduce with the signs of aging and help restore moisture in your hands. Yes, so ready for you. Now it does bring 4 sets of hand masks that will last you a month. Gently tear apart the hand masks as they are stuck together. Place those hands into the gloves and secure the straps around the wrist for a custom fit. Make sure to massage the creamy oil thoroughly to really sink in that moisture. It's recommended to last 10 to 20 minutes with this on. I decided to go for the full 20 minutes. The best part about this is that it's swipe friendly. So you could use your phone while wearing it. You could be on your laptop and make sure that you're working and really get that moisture in your hands, which is so important. For maximum effect, wear it overnight. And you know, my friends, that I went for it. Overall, I am really impressed. It did give me that moisture that it said that I was going to get. What I love about it is that all those dry patches are now softened and healed up. My hands are smoother and they're hydrated. They smell great. Sleeping with them, I think, also helped a lot. When it comes to actually using your laptop and your phone, it works. But you're gonna take like another whole 30 minutes to write that email, let me tell you right now. If you really want your hands to feel that moisture, to come back to life, I think this right here will work for you. Look at this. Look at this. All right, everyone, this was super fun. I hope you guys are able to try out that hand mask at home. And please do not forget to subscribe to Yahoo Lifestyle. Shop the product down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. How y'all doing with this quarantine life? I don't even think I could do it anymore.